Next go to sin A plus B sin A minus all of you know. But what for this? How to use? I can explain no need to worry. Sin A plus B is what? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So this is the same minus will come. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. I need this one. Next. Cos A minus B or cos A plus B. So cos A cos B, the plus means you can get minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B is equal to yes, cos A cos B plus very good sin A sin B. Well and good. Tan A plus B. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan A minus B is equal to minus. Right, all of it. Please write tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Next. So 7-1 cot A plus B is equal to cot A cot B. Okay. Cot B minus cot A is equal to next. Cot A minus B is equal to cot A cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot B. Okay, reverse. So, well and good. Now we need to find how to be sin 2A is how much. What is sin 2A? 2 sin A cos A. From where you got, just give you a brief, then we go to the answer. Okay, thank you. Copy that. Thank you. Now I want to find the sin 2A. So to find sin 2A, if you know this is the formula that is equal to 2 sin A cos A. Okay. How you got? Then what you can do any other operation that you have to discuss. Now in case of sin A plus B formula, then what I am doing? Put B is equal to A. In case of B plus, I can put B is equal to A. Therefore, sin put B is equal to A. Easy. Therefore, sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So for the same only I can write 2 sin A cos A. Okay, this formula everybody knows it. This becomes A plus A 2A. That becomes sin 2A. So if I write 2A by 2, angle I am dividing with 2. If we divide angle with 2, what will become? 2A by 2 is A. So then sin A is equal to whatever you did here, same way here also angle are divided. 2 sin A by 2 into cos A by 2. Are understanding that? So I divide the angle, that's why I get this. This is a well and good. This is a good formula for you. But in sin 2A in terms of tan, angle I am dividing with 2. So when angle 2A is divided with this angle also divided. So then I want to sin A is equal to what? 2 sin. So if I completed all of so the same one is sin 2A by 2. What I do, I can multiply and divide with cos. Any problem? So this one formula which you can put in a box. I multiply and divide with cos. Any problem? Cos A by cos. Any problem? No problem. Then I can rewrite 2 sin A by cos A into cos A, cos square A. What is this fellow? This becomes 2 tan A into cos square A. But cos square A can be written as, what is the writer? 2 into tan A divided by 1 by secant square A. 1 by secant square A. Right, what is secant square A? Already 2 into tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Understanding that? So I can write this fellow as what is called sin 2A is equal to this much form. Another formula in terms of tan. So therefore sin 2A is equal to 2 tan A by 1 plus, what do you call it? 1 plus secant square A. 1 plus secant square A, 1 plus tan square A. Nothing is there. So we need this. So whenever you are going to support, immediately you get into the fraction second, you get the formula. Okay, you can make the formula by our own fast. Right. Next. Now I want to find cos 2A and sin A, cos A by using the this one. Law. Right. Cos 2A. How to find cos 2A? To find the cos 2A. To find cos 2A. So cos A plus B in class A plus B put b is equal to a, then what I can write? Cos a plus a is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Any difficulty there? Now what will be cos a into cos a? Cos square. Sin a into sin a? Sin square. Now I can rewrite this further as, so therefore cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. This is the important part. Okay. Now, so to find cos A in terms of cos B, cos A in terms of cos B. Now, how it is that? In terms of this. Now, so from this I want to find cos A in terms of cos B. Now what is the cos A? Cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. So what is the, we know what is called sin square theta or sin square a plus cos square a is equal to how much? Equal to 1. But I write the sin square a in terms of, therefore sin square a is equal to how much you are writing? Sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. Now substitute here, that is equal to, I can tell you finally this is the good form, no need of this, go first. So that is cos square a, finally I can say what is this. So that is cos a in terms of cos b, sin a in terms of cos b I can explain. And that is enough. But how we are going to get it, that I am going to say a simple method. So right. So then cos square a minus of, what is sin square a? 1 minus cos square a. Am I correct or not? Any doubt? So I can take minus inside. Minus 1 plus cos square a. Cos square a plus cos square a? 2 cos square a. That's all. 2 cos square a minus 1. 2 cos square a minus 1. So now you bring the 1 to this side. Therefore 2 cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a. So therefore cos a is equal to, everything I have taken one scope. So this is the, if you take this side, become 2, 1 plus cos 2a by 2, square means root 2, under root of 1 plus cos 2a by 2. This is the cos a in terms of cos 2a. Now similarly, sin a in terms of cos b. So if you do sin a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a, what remember remaining automatically component. So how you got, you do the, I want to write sin means cos square a, you are right, cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. If you do the simplification, you get 1 minus cos 2a by 2 under root of. We need for calculation. Understand? Yeah. So I got it this one. No need to do all. So but only cos a is equal to 1 minus. Sorry, none of it is necessary and not necessary. How you got, when you got it, then application will be easy. Wherever you correct. So cos 2a is equal to, what is the formula you got it? Cos square a minus sin square a you got. So that can be written as cos a plus sin a into cos a minus sin. Okay. Cos square A minus sin square A multiply and divide with the cos square A and cos square. Okay, you got it. If I multiply and divide with this one, I can take this fellow to inside. That is what? 1 minus sin square by sin square by cos square is tan square. Tan square A. This is a cos square A there, no? Cos square A can be written as 1 minus tan square A divided by secant square A. Am I correct? So that is equal to 1 minus tan square A divided by secant square is what? 1 plus tan square A. So we need this one. 1 plus tan square. That means, so cos 2A in terms of tan is this one. So how many ways you can write trigonometrically? So what is given? What answer required? You have to go properly. Otherwise you will get different values. Different what are the, if you substitute the same value. Different paths, if trigonometry go to move in different paths and reaching the same point. But looking like a different, but we are not looking like it. Oh, like I said, 2 can be written as 1 by 2 to the power minus 1. 2 can be written as 1 by 2 to the power minus 1. Same or not? Yeah, 1 by 2 to the power minus 1 is equal to up to only. Understanding? But different position, final value. The same thing trigonometry. The final answer will be same, but it is going to look like different form. You are going to looking into different form. Trigonometric values. Trigonometric values. Trigonometric ratio and it is called angle. It is called angle. So 0, 30, 60, 90, okay sir, 120, so on, and 180 is enough. You are going to write, you can write up as well. But I will tell you without this one shortcut method also. What is that? So here is sin cos. Remaining is the ratios only. Remaining is the ratios of that one. Remaining is the ratio of that one. So once you know sin and cos, the rest of the things is based on sin and cos functions. So sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, sin 30 1 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, reverse. So sin 90 1, cos 90 0, sin 120. Now we are getting sin 120 means sin 90 plus 30. So 9 is the odd, sin becomes cos is equal to cos 30. Cos in sin in second part is positive. So the side goes there. Cos 30 is equal to how much? Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 cos. Now this is what sin, this one. Sin 120 is equal to cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to how much? Root 3 by 2. So then reverse. Now here is cos, here we are writing cos 90 plus 30. So cos becomes sin, cos becomes, so because of 9 is odd, cos becomes sin 30. But cos in second quadrant is negative. So sin 30 is how much? 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Sin. The cos in second quadrant is minus. The sin is going to assign to marginal value. So that's a minus 120. That means, so cos 120 this one. Next coming to, so sin 180 is 0. But cos 180 is minus 1. So anybody having doubt how you got sin? So very simple. Sin 90 plus 90. So 9 is the odd. Sin becomes what you call 9 is the odd. Sin becomes cos theta is 90. But cos 90, how much? This what is the quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant sin is positive. So what 90? So cos 90 is the 0. Now this is both side. This is 0. Next comes, you know the money of this one. So sin 180 is 0, cos 1 is minus 1. All you got? So that is all celebrity curves. Now finally, you write a tan by yourself. Tan theta is equal to sin by cos. Sin by cos, please write yourself. And cosecant, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin. And the secant is equal to 1 by cos. And the cot is equal to cos by sin or 1 by tan. We substitute it and simplify, make all the values. And finally, right, so this please complete yourself. All of you complete yourself. Sin 60 is equal to cos 30. This is the relation. Sin 60 value cos 30.